of our variable name, and we have our string. Do we have to identify that this is a string? No, because honestly, Python knows. But let's say we did a string of a number, and you just wanted to make sure that this was a number. So let's say num equals, and we're going to put it in quotes. We're going to put 12. Now, if I do a print statement, I can do print name, and then I can do another print statement, and I can put num, and I'll go ahead and run those. And you can see I got our string at the top and our other string, which is numbers. But what happens if I wanted to say, let's say print, and we do num plus 1. Do you think this will work, or do you think we'll crash into infinity of blaze of glory as we get an error? Yeah, that's exactly what happened. There can only be concatenation of strings, meaning that you can only add a string to another string. So you could literally do num plus name, and that'll give you the two together. But there's ways that you can always, and we'll talk about it more later, is converting our data types into other data types. We'll cover that more in detail later. But let's go ahead and play with this string now. So actually, we'll leave that one there. So let's start with length and indexing. So length. Let's say we want to find out how many characters are in the string name. So we can come down here. We can go ahead and put print. I'll be using print statements, but these can be done and assigned to variables outside of a print statement, and you can display them obviously in the print statement. And I'll show you both ways. Let's say we want to find out the length, so we're going to use the len function, which is built in to Python, and we're going to open a parentheses, and we're going to put name. So we have len name. We're going to go ahead and run that, and we're going to see that 15 is how many characters